Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're reviewing the best bedside shelfie for your bed. If you're living in a dorm room, have a top bunk bed, or simply need a stylish, functional solution for limited space, this could be the product you're looking for. Meet the GRDNON Bedside Shelf with Phone Holder, a bamboo bed shelf organizer that offers a ton of versatility for your space. This product is designed to give you that extra little bit of convenience without taking up any floor space. The GRDNON Bedside Shelf attaches easily to the side of your bed, making it a perfect option for loft beds, college dorm rooms, or even kids' rooms. Its large surface area of 15.7 by 11.6 gives you plenty of room to place your phone, tablet, alarm clock, drink, or even a small laptop. What sets this bedside shelf apart is its clever, user-friendly design. The high edges around the perimeter ensure that your items stay in place, while the specially designed slots for earphones and tablets offer a safe, secure spot to store your devices. No more worrying about them falling off the edge of your bed. Plus, there are side hooks that allow for even more storage options. Hang your keys, small bags, or other accessories for easy access. Made of natural bamboo, this shelf is not only aesthetically pleasing but also incredibly durable. Bamboo is known for being strong, and this shelf can hold up to 40 pounds, so you can rest assured that it will support your belongings without tilting or tipping over. Whether you're charging your phone, watching videos, or simply reading a book, everything you need will be within arm's reach. One of the standout features of this bedside shelf is the mobile phone holder. It's an innovative addition that lets you hang your phone in an easily accessible spot while charging. You can rotate the holder 360 degrees, ensuring that you get the perfect angle for watching videos or scrolling through social media. It doesn't take up any extra space on the shelf, allowing you to keep everything organized. Installation is a breeze, and you don't need any tools to set it up. The intuitive design makes it quick and easy. Just a few steps, and you'll be ready to go. If you ever run into any issues, the GRDNON team offers excellent customer service and is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. In conclusion, if you're looking for a space-saving, functional, and stylish bedside organizer, the GRDNON Bedside Shelf with Phone Holder is definitely worth considering. It combines the practicality of a traditional nightstand with the convenience of modern design, all while fitting perfectly in small spaces like dorm rooms, loft beds, or kids' rooms. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews that help make your life easier.